Well, hi there. My name is Scott Duffy, and in this video, I'm going to answer one of the frequently asked questions about Microsoft Azure. That is, how do you get access to Microsoft Azure for free? Now, there are a few ways to get access to Microsoft Azure for free. Now, you might wonder, why do we even have to ask this question? Other cloud providers, such as Amazon AWS, have a free tier that provides limited services on Amazon AWS for 1 year for free. Well, Microsoft Azure's free tier is only 30 days. They give you a $200 bucket of credits that you can go into Azure, create resources within that $200 limit within 30 days. After 30 days, the $200 goes away and you're left with a free tier. So there is a limited free tier that you can create resources for 1 year that comes with your free trial. And finally, there are ongoing free levels of services that don't require you to pay for them. So you have ongoing free tier of access, such as the free tier of web apps. Now, if you have a Visual Studio or MSDN subscription, depending on your level of your subscription, you can get $50, $100, or $150 per month of Azure credits. So look into your MSDN subscription or Visual Studio website and sign up for the Azure program through there. There's also a BizSpark program that if you are a tech startup, you can get $150 per month as part of that program. Microsoft has been selling this Microsoft Action Pack for years, and it's a really great deal. It includes several licenses to Microsoft Windows, SQL Server, and other things, but as part of the Microsoft Action Pack, you can also get a limited amount of Microsoft Azure credits. And so if you do have the Action Pack already, then you can go and sign up for Azure through that. Finally, if you are a student, there's a couple of options. Microsoft has this Imagine program for students, and there is also an Azure free trial for students that do not require a credit card. Similar to the Azure trial for people who do have credit cards, but you have to be a student in an accredited institution. So those are the ways you can get access to Microsoft Azure for free. Now, the reason why you need access is because you need to get experience with Microsoft Azure. I do not fancy your chances of passing any of the Microsoft Azure exams if you've never created an account, you've never gone in there and created resources, managed them. You've got to get a lot of practice in there, and so these free accounts are great for getting enough practice so that you can pass the exam. So that's the answer to the question. I want to thank you for watching. My name is Scott. I do have a number of courses on Udemy, and the link is in the description so you can check it out. Thanks a lot and have a great day.